In this video, we'll talk about what is the difference between sessions and page views. Here you can see in the business report that this is sessions and this is page views. So this is sessions total and this is page views total. So you'll get this data in the business report. For example, let's say we'll type here toys for kids. Okay, kids 3+ years. Okay, so I'm typing this keyword and let's understand what is the difference between page views and sessions. So when you click on this one, for example, this product, you click on this one. Okay, you landed on that in this page. So within 24 hours, whenever you are clicking on that particular landing page, for example, I'm just refreshing this page. Okay, or I am opening it multiple times. Okay, I'm opening it multiple times. So in this scenario, I have opened it for 3 times. Okay, I have opened it for 3 times, but the single landing page. So here you can see here the page views will be 3, but the session will be 1, because within 24 hours, whenever I come in, if I have not cleared my cookies, so like website cookies, if I have not cleared that, or history, if I have not cleared that, then if I again land on that page after 5 hours or 4 hours, then also that will be taken as the exact same session, but it will be a different page views. So here I have opened it for 3 times, so the page views for this product will be 3, but session will be 1. The sessions are very much unique, but page views can be doubled, tripled. So page views are always greater than sessions.